Hi everybody, Matt back with you. Today I'm in Jumble Hole Clough. I'm searching for the remains of a farm that was amongst the many mills that would have once been here over a century ago. The place I'm looking for was called Beverly End. So this was Beverly End Farm. Stood on the hillside here. This is what there is left of it today. I'm not sure if there's anything left of the house at all. A few little ruins down there, but look at all these bluebells. What a beautiful sight. Let's see what we can find. Let's look at all these. So it's really just a matter of finding little bits of things that remain. You can see there's some steps going up there, but they don't lead anywhere. That's the path. Okay, so as we reach here, you can kind of see evidence of things from the past. I think these would have been we would class today, I suppose, as beehives. They wouldn't be the beehives that we've seen around today. In fact, at different levels, there's some there, and I think there's some right up there too. Just head a bit further on here. If you look now up onto that hillside there, you can see some holes there. So we have an old building just here. Just an old shed. Yeah. This may have been a later addition, but it's not in good condition. There's actually quite a lot of these about that you can see. Over there too, there's another old building here. Yeah, okay. Not much to see in here. Again, just another shed. So yeah, so it's really interesting that these are still here. But in terms of any sign of a house, not a lot. My goodness, it's beautiful. See you soon.